Hi, this is an unboxing video for a Disney Doorables Death Star. Now, I bought this in home bargain, so it wasn't very expensive. And I'm hoping, there's a Boba Fett figure in here, which I'm hoping I can add to Fett Club, which you can see behind me there. Now, these Doorables items, you get 4 little figures in one of these, and on the bottom they have codes. You can see them printed there, and they are different. They have different numbers at the end of the thing. Now, some very kind person has gone through and has posted what all the codes are supposed to mean on Reddit, and I'm hoping that the internet strangers are beneficent towards me, because I don't know what's in this, obviously, but I'm hoping for the Boba Fett one. Now, he is supposed to be a rare thing. Now, the first thing you have to do with these is you have to peel the plastic out a bit off. There is a huge amount of plastic packaging in toys like this. Any toys you have to unbox, and they never peel easily. So, you know, it's a bit of a thing. If I was more prepared, I'd have brought an X-Acto knife or something to get that off, but I don't have that. So we'll rip this off in rubbish, and then you open it up. Now, some people might say, well, why are you looking at the code? Surely the whole point of this is a surprise. And yes, that is true, but then you do end up with lots of figures the same thing, because that's the way capitalism works. That's the way toy companies are going with these blind things. You can see it is the Death Star. It's got the super laser on that side there, and we pop it open, and you get 4 little bags with the Doorables leaflet. Tells you all the different ones you can get. So you get 4 different bags. These bags are numbered 24, 13, 8, and the one I almost got there and then caught on my lap is number 1. So number 1. Who's number 1? Who do we think number 1 is going to be? We'll open these in numerical order. I suspect Boba's going to be in 24. That would be great for the video, wouldn't it? Number 1 we have... Oh, I think that's Anakin Skywalker. Little cute Anakin Skywalker. He's got a little backpack on his back. He looks very much Anakin Skywalker Episode 1, possibly. It's a bit weird, these Doorable sets, because they have different figures for different things, and it really does depend on what they're trying to promote at the time. Oh, this is going well. This is Fennec Shand. Now, I'm pretty sure Anakin and Fennec were in the list of figures on the Reddit list that were supposed to be in this particular one. The code on this is K15, so I'm pretty sure those 2 were on the list. So we will see who else we got here. We have got, I think that's meant to be Obi-Wan, or possibly, well, I'm not sure who that's meant to be. Is that meant to be Obi-Wan? He's got his little ponytail thing at the back there, so I think that might be Obi-Wan from Episode 1. So Anakin and Obi-Wan go together. And here we go, number 24. This is the moment of truth. Is this Boba Fett or not? Yes, look at that. It is Boba Fett. Obviously from the Book of Boba Fett version, because that's what they're doing. That's why you get Fennec Shand as well. But I have not got this Doorable in my Boba Fett collection. I know the first rule of Fett Club is you don't talk about Fett Club, but I will be adding him in. I'll have to find room for him on that shelf somewhere. You can see all the Boba Fetts there over my shoulder. So there you go. Thank you, whoever posted this on Reddit. You have done me an absolute solid.